Hello, you guys. Welcome to another exciting episode. So this is a thermostat that I'm reviewing. I posted a video many years ago about how to make an incubator, and if I can go back and do that, I would add this guy. This is one of my favorite thermostats out there. I have used in the past. It works great. Um, so basically, what this thermostat does is that you would connect it to your light bulb. You would split the light bulb cable and you would hook them up accordingly to these things. Of course, usually when you order this, it doesn't come with instructions, so it's a good idea to look it online and they'll have instructions of how to hook it up. But basically, what it is that you're also going to have another energy source to power this guy. So, besides your light bulb connection, you have to have a 12-volt connection for this guy connected to it too. Um, so basically how this works is that it has this probe right here, and you would put this in your incubator, and basically what happens is that when it reaches your desired temperature, which you program yourself, and it'll appear here, usually in Celsius, not Fahrenheit, so you might want to know your conversions. Um, so basically what will happen is that when it reaches the desired temperature of the eggs you're incubating, uh, it will shut off, so the light will turn off, and once it'll cool off. So, but once it falls too low, the light bulb will turn back on, and it'll keep that in that temperature constant, which is great. That's what you want when you're hatching baby chicks. A couple of things that might be a little hard when you're programming it is that sometimes it's programmed backwards. So what will happen is that it's usually like instead of like going to a high temperature, it'll turn off in a low temperature, if that makes any sense. So you're gonna have to play around with it. It's a little hard at first, but once you get it, it becomes easier. And it has three little switches. And you kind of just play around with those until you get the desired temperature. This thing does have a light, so when it shuts off, the light turns off. Yeah, so if you guys are planning to make an incubator, I would totally recommend this guy. This is a safer way to make sure that your incubator stays a certain temperature. Um, yeah, and plus, this is only a few bucks. This cost me around $6. You could probably get it for cheaper. I've seen some really cheap ones, and I've also seen some really expensive ones. There's also some that you can actually put in a polyester case, which is pretty cool. It like protects it from water and stuff like that. But I would definitely recommend this guy. Okay, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys want to see more videos, please subscribe and turn on your bell notification. And yeah, thank you guys. If you guys want to see more videos about how to create incubators, please let me know and I can make more content about that. Thank you guys. Thanks you guys for watching. Take care. Bye bye.